Do you know how to sound positive while speaking? By choosing the right word.
One word changed my
No,
life.
it was not success, love, or money. It was,
The word yet.
I used to say, I can't speak English, I don't understand grammar, but then I understand the use of yet. A small word yet can shift your mindset from fixed to growing. So instead of saying, I don't know tenses, we can always say, I haven't mastered tenses yet, I'm still learning. Or in place of saying, I make mistakes, we can always say, I'm still learning, I'm not perfect yet.
Using yet forms a positive impact on your mindset and shows your patience to learn and grow.
And start learning with more confidence, not fear.
For more real tips that make English feel possible, follow English with Sharmishta. Subscribe.